Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Windows XP Home Edition upgrade pack. This was for computers that were running Windows 98, 98 2nd edition or Windows Millennium Edition. As you can see on the back here, it has got these system requirements which were pretty good for the time. I mean, it only needed a PC with a 300 MHz processor or higher, and the absolute bottom it could go was 233 MHz. So it most probably would have been okay for computers that were designed to run on Windows 95. Now, as you can see on the back here, it has got obviously some of the main features, and on the side we've obviously got that nice sticker as well, although that's just part of the pack. So if we actually get this out now and see what's lurking about inside. We can see we've got this booklet. Now inside this booklet, on one of the sides is the product key. So I'm naturally going to cover that up, because I don't want anyone to use it. It's only for me. So let's just continue to cover that up and actually open it up. So as you can see in here, we have some of obviously the main features. We have the Windows XP CD there, and over here we have got obviously all the booklets and some obviously setup instructions for the actual Windows XP copy. So if we get these out now, don't think there's anything else, no. Now this Start Here booklet, I believe this is, yeah, this is mainly like tutorials on how to do different things. And this side, it's just, well, this was part of the main advertising campaign actually. The experience bit, obviously they put quite a big emphasis on XP for obvious reasons. And well, that's basically that booklet. I mean, that has got mini tutorials in it, but there's no point in obviously going through them all. So let's have a look at this one. Now this one, Explore, this basically showed you the main features of the UI. So if I open this up now, you can see that's the obviously Windows XP desktop, and yeah, it's pretty bog standard stuff really. Around the back here we've also got well, it's mainly for the control panel, this side anyway. And that's the anti-piracy helplines, and this one is Make MSN Explorer your home. Well, by that they mean your home page in Internet Explorer, and hardly anyone ever uses Internet Explorer, or, well, and in my opinion anyway, even less people used MSN, so that was a complete flop. I believe MSN actually still exists, strangely, so quite interesting really. So I will be using this quite a bit actually. I believe if I bring this out now, yes, this CD will be used many times in future videos, so that will be fun. So anyway, that's basically it for this video, and I must say I really do like the graphics on this one. They really do look smart. Well, that's classic Windows for you. And down the bottom here, I was suspecting that peeled off and then you could put it on your computer, but unfortunately you can't. So as I say, that's basically it for this video. Thank you all very much for watching, and until the next video, I will most probably be using this because I do need to reinstall Windows XP on a few of my old systems. So till then, thank you all very much for watching, and goodbye.